Alright, on this portion of the video, we loosened up 3 of these screws with a size 13 ratchet. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then you'll have 3 on this other side. The one on the bottom and the one on the top next to the oil pump you'll be able to get to. But the one between the fuel and the full throttle adjustment screw, right between here, there's one that you won't be able to get to. You'll have to remove this fuel box. And to do that, you're going to use a 5/16 and only need to remove the screws diagonal to each other. So this top left and this bottom right together, because it sits at an angle, are the only actually 2 screws that need to come off to get this portion out of the way, so you can access those 2 screws completely. And we don't want to take it off. We're just gonna get it loose enough to get it out of our way so we can continue to do what we're doing. And then also, once you get those 3 off, you have these 2 up here, which I'm using a 9/16 to remove these. And here you have 2 on the top, 9/16, and you'll have 2 on the bottom. So 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, total of 10 screws on the outer side. The smaller screws are the ones that's on the outside. 4 big screws, 9/16 on the top and bottom. So let's go ahead and remove this last little thing that's freed. Oh, it's hanging on there by like a thread. There we go. And now that we have it loose, again, I'm not going to pull mine's all the way out. That is an option for you if you want to. I'm just going to get it out of the way enough, like that is so. And now you can see that one last screw. And again, I believe I was using a 13. Yeah, get you right in there. Okay. A little bit harder to get it now that I'm at the angle, so I'm going to switch to a 1/2 inch, and we'll put that on here.